What is going on, guys? Chase here, back with another trading video. Hopefully everyone had a good trading day today. Obviously no news. We won our trade. We had a lot of people in our Discord passing our fundeds today, and it was obviously a super great day. We have only lost one single day this whole month. We are on a crazy winning streak. So without further ado, today we're going to be going over what I did to win the trade today and go over some different ICT concepts that could help you guys become profitable here in the markets. With Trump being president, obviously, he did kind of patch trading a little bit with a different types of structure that the market has been giving. But today we're going to be going over some different ICT concepts, how you guys could trade off of fair value gaps, and go in depth on how you guys can become profitable here and have over an 80% win rate just like me. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. It is snowing outside, which is absolutely crazy. If you guys can see here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is just starting to snow. We are actually, I live on the East Coast, so we are in a winter storm right now. But yeah, without further ado, this is the trading setup for today. Obviously, I have something planned for you guys, and then we have our meme coin launches over there. That's a little side thing that we do, but yeah, without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Alright guys, so hopping straight into the video, this is the trade that we took today. So, what we're going to actually be going over, let me remove this. What we're actually going to be going over today is going to be our market mover models. Alright, so we went over this yesterday, but I'm going to go and give you guys more examples and go over kind of what the confluence is here when we are trading these. So, what they're going to look like is kind of a jaggedy V shape of what we're going to be going over today. So we are creating these levels of liquidity, these internal levels. We're creating lower lows. And eventually, price breaks one of these levels. And we have some sort of PD array that price taps into that we could potentially bounce off of, having a reversal. And we can play off of that. So that is what's going to be, we're going to be going over here today. And so this was for my long form. Let me go ahead. Actually, I'll just test you guys here with this as well. So, right when market opened, we had our manipulation, 3 big candles, and then just continued this downtrend that we've been having for the past few days. Continued this downtrend. Boom. Broke below our resistance levels here, sweeping out this set of liquidity. We broke this level of liquidity. We broke this level. I mean, we were just completely dumping. Then, we could assume that this right here, you saw our jaggedy V shape. Jaggedy V shape. Now, we could potentially see ourselves on the buy side of the curve. How we know this is, well, if we go to the 5-minute time frame, let's go ahead and remove all of this drawing here. You go to the 5-minute time frame, we had a 5-minute fair value gap here that I'm going to be highlighting here. Let me go ahead and delete this one so you guys can only see this one. So we have this fair value gap here that I'm going to mark in light pink. We have this 5-minute fair value gap here. Price inverse this 5-minute. So once price inverses that 5-minute, that means that this bearish kind of tendency, this bearish movement is now invalidated. Alright, so we mark out that. We inversed. Now what do we have here? We have a 1-minute bullish fair value gap. So let's go ahead and mark that here, and I'm going to title this bullish FVG. Give me 1 second here. Okay. So that's going to be our bullish FVG, and we're going to go ahead and mark this as green. Alright, so we have our 5-minute that got invalidated here, so we can go ahead and remove this. Now we just have our bullish fair value gap. And if you guys don't know what a fair value gap is, if you guys are new to trading, our fair value gaps are going to be where we have fair value. Alright, so it's going to be 3 candles moving in one direction, where we have obviously our wicks. We draw a line at the middle one, and we draw a line at the middle one. So we mark out the highs and the lows of this middle candle here, and we can assume that this range right here is going to be our fair value, where price can eventually tap into and maybe reject off of this or inverse it, giving us a bias. So that's going to be our fair value gaps. So we saw right here we have a bullish fair value gap. Sorry guys, my mom. Price tapped into this bullish fair value gap here. Now, once price taps into this after we inversed, giving us bullish signals, we can enter a long position here. We are placing our stops. I keep very tight stop losses. You guys don't have to do this. You guys do not have to do this at all. But when price tapped in this, I'm placing my stops at the inverse of this 1 minute fair value gap here. And we're going to go ahead and target our consolidation highs here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and target this level right here. Let's go ahead and watch this trade play out and show you guys how you guys could have caught in a really good play here. So we bounce off of this bullish fair value gap. Boom. So price went to this A level here, which is this mini 1 minute fair value gap that I will highlight here, which was our first TP. Smashed it at CP. So now we again had a TP at this high. We also have a TP at this high, and this is today's price action, so I don't know whether price is gonna go here yet or not. Let's go ahead and watch this trade play out. Price pulls down a little bit, goes back up to this A level. Boom, smashes our second TP. And price is now consolidating. And boom, smashed our next TP. So smashed all 3 TPs there, hit the buy side of the curve. So a beautiful, beautiful price action there. Let me go ahead and watch actually what the rest of the day did. I kind of want to see. Oh, so that's live price action right here. Literally a beautiful curve. So we're kind of actually flipping biases here. Took out all of this liquidity. So that is going to be our buy model of the curve here. And so that's what we did today. And what you guys have to realize is don't trade all of these indicators. You guys see here, I have no indicators. I trade solely off of price action, and that's what I do. So I'm going to give you guys some reasons why we did not seek our daily lows, because we did not take out previous day lows, which is right here. And a lot of people did think that we were going to take out those lows. So why we did not take out those lows? Well, we could eventually take out those lows, yes. But you guys have to look at these fair value gaps. We had a 1 minute here, got immediately inversed. So once that got inversed, we're flipping our bias. So what a fair value gap is when we have our bullish fair value gaps here. When we have our fair value gaps here, when price decides to tap in this and actually inverse this candle close, we're now flipping our bias. That's like if you guys were moving on an uptrend, we have our resistance right here, and we broke resistance, knowing that if we tap in, we could potentially go back down. If you guys trade off of that too, it's sort of the same thing here, just in bar charts. But that's what a fair value gap is, and that's how you guys can trade off of this and learn to become profitable here in the market. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys want me to kind of give you guys a rundown of anything, if you guys want me to go over anything, we do daily trading recaps here on our YouTube channel every single day. We also are offering a free trial right now for a February special. If you guys did want to trade with us for a whole week straight, you guys get the benefits of being a member here at our Discord. All you guys have to do is click the link in my bio or in my channel description. It is completely free. That is going to be our special checkout link that we are currently offering. As you guys can see here, I'll go to my live P&L here on one of my accounts on my top step, and you guys will see here this is just one of my funded accounts. We only have one losing day this month, so we're super good traders here. As you guys can see, this is the legit trade that we did take. This is no baloney. This is my top step account. So Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did, go ahead and like the video, comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.